Meaning of father figure.
Father figure.
Father figure.
Father figure.
Father figure. A father figure is a male role model who provides guidance, support, and protection, much like a biological father would. This term is often used to describe an older man who serves as a mentor or authority figure, but may not be related by blood. Father figures may be particularly important for individuals who have absent or distant fathers, as they can provide a sense of stability and emotional connection. Overall, a father figure is someone who plays a significant and positive role in the life of another person, especially in regards to personal growth and development.